Hello friends, today we will do the third chapter of Value Education book, Responsible Citizenship. And what is responsible? Responsible means the one who is liable, on which we can trust, जिस पे हम trust कर सके कि हाँ ये काम ये कर सकता है. And citizenship means being a citizen of any country. In being a citizen of any country, we have a lot of duties and responsibilities towards the country. And responsible citizen is the one who participate in the activities that make the world a better place to live in. Now, the chapter starts with the line that how many members are there in your family? Cousins, uncles, aunts, grandmother, father, and relatives too. And maybe we don't know about all the family members. But even then, they are part of our family. Just as you are a member of your family, in the same way, you are a citizen of your country. And a citizen is a person who is a member of a country, same as a family member. Country has also a lot of members and they all are called citizens of any country. And definitely we don't know about all the citizens, but even then we are part of the country. And the bond of citizenship brings everyone together. And when we live in any country, that country protect us in various ways, such as through the defense or police services. डिफेंस होता है डिफेंड करना, बचाव करना. जैसे कि हमारे पुलिस सर्विसेज हैं, आर्मी फोर्सेस हैं, वो हमें डिफेंड करते हैं फ्रॉम एनी प्रॉब्लम्स, फ्रॉम एनी डिफ़िकल्टी. जैसे कि हमारी कंट्री हमें इतना कुछ प्रोवाइड कराती है, तो इन रिटर्न वी हैव ऑल्सो सम ड्यूटीज़ एंड रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़. हमारी भी कुछ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ हैं कि हम अपनी कंट्री को प्रोटेक्ट करें, जो लॉज हैं उनको हम फॉलो करें. We must respect and obey state as well as local laws, and we must respect the rights and the opinions of other people also. अब जैसे इंडिया में बहुत सारी कम्युनिटीज़ हैं और जो लोग हैं फ्रॉम द डिफरेंट कम्युनिटीज़ वो सबसे पहले खुद को एक इंडियन कंसिडर करते हैं. दे आर इंडियन फर्स्ट एंड दे ऑल लिव टुगेदर इन अ कंट्री. In India, we are very different from each other, but there is one thing we have in common, and that is that we all are Indians first. So we must participate in the activities of the community. We must pay taxes honestly and on time, and we must defend the country if there is any need, so that we can become a responsible citizen of India or any other country. Now we will read the stories given in the chapter related to this topic in the next videos.